Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to my Facebook page. How you all doing? So guys, I said welcome back to my YouTube or Facebook because I'm going to be uploading this video both on my YouTube and my Facebook page. All right guys, how you are doing? I really missed you guys. Okay, there's this little package I ordered from Shein and I decided to unbox and share with you guys. So I ordered it from Shein and the order came today guys, so I just decided to unbox with you all so that we'll see how it looks like. All right, let me not talk too much, let's dive right into the unboxing. I'm so excited guys. So that's not the only thing I bought, okay, but let me just unbox it and let's see how it is. So guys, this is what I got from Shein. Okay, so let's see how it is. Okay guys, like you all know, I always say it in my video, I don't know how to unbox, so don't mind me. So I know some of you will actually use scissors to unbox, but me, I prefer my hand. Wow guys, take a look. So I'm just going to keep this right here. I have other products there, but let's just go for this. So guys, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's clearly written here, smartphone magnetic neck holder. So I got this package because most of the time when I'm actually fixing nails for clients, so I find it difficult to do my recording. All right, so I only just do my kind of after video, all right, or like when I'm doing makeup that I can actually use my ring light. But because I can't go with my ring light when I'm going to fix nails for my clients, so I kind of prefer this was the major reason I ordered it. All right guys, as you can see, so this is it guys. So let's just see what is inside. Okay, so guys, this is it. I think that's all. There's nothing left inside. Wow, this is gorgeous guys. So we have this inside, we have this as well. I don't know what this is. I think this is to clean the, I don't know what this is guys, but I'm just going to bring out everything that is inside this. Then we have this, I think this is the magnet or the holder. I think this is the magnet. So we are just going to try it together guys. Let's see how it works. So, but this is kind of heavy though. Look guys, it's kind of heavy. How does it work? I think, okay, look guys, I think it's like this. Whoa, this thing is stiff. So I'm just going to check from the, because I'm not really sure, I've not used it before. Okay, so from this one we can see how it's placed. Let me just put it right here so I can be checking it if I'm doing it right. Okay, I think it's this way. Okay. So it's like this. Yeah, it's like this. I thought you can just bring it out or something, like open it. What if I have a very big head? So how am I going to wear? Okay guys, I was wondering, I was like, don't tell me I'm just going to fix this like this. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but it's kind of tight though. All right, so guys, can you see? But this thing is heavy, I won't lie. Okay, so what's next? Okay, so let's see guys. We are just going to place, but what's this one for? I don't know what this one is for. What about this? I think to clean phone or something. Like it has a wipe. Okay, this is the manual. All right, so I don't know. So guys, this one is actually I think this is the magnet. Okay, so this one is just for you to remove this from here, then place it at the back of your phone like this. So this one is actually the magnet here that will connect, that will hold your phone to the phone holder. As you can see, just can you see, guys? So you are just going to place it like this. All right, so that's the purpose of this one. But I don't want to remove the paper yet because I'm not going to be using this phone for my recording. So I'm actually going to be using my iPhone, the one I'm using now to do this recording. So that's why I'm not going to remove the paper. You can see how magnetic it is. Take a look, guys. Can you see that? So, all right. Whoa, guys, this is really nice. Like the camera is turned on. Just imagine when I'm fixing my client nails, I can actually make use of this. All right, take a look. Wow, guys, just take a look. It's really nice, guys. It's really nice. So let me just bring it up. See, I love it, guys. So okay, let's just go in with the other things inside the package. I got this also, guys. This one is for my room. So this one is just a LED light. All right, so I got this for my room. It has remote inside. Then I think I don't know what this is. Okay, guys, this one is airband. Well, we'll be coming to this later. Let's just. So I also got this, like, to use with the phone. This is also a LED light, a mini ring light also, I think. Yeah, a LED cube light. So I got this one, guys. It's really small. I thought it's bigger than this one. So it has a USB cord. So this is how it is, guys. So I got this one to use with my phone in case if I'm going to fix nails. So like this, then I'm just going to, let me see if I can turn it on, or maybe I have to charge it first. Oh, take a look, guys. You can actually change the color. I don't know if you guys can see. Take a look. Like, you can see, you can actually change the colors. So let's just use one color. You can also reduce and increase it. So I'm just going to put this right here. I think it's the other way around. I'm supposed to turn it like, okay. Wow, guys, take a look. So let me just turn it off so it doesn't interfere with my video. So guys, this is how it looks. Let me just bring it up a bit. So this is how it looks, guys. So with this, I can actually make videos from when I'm fixing my client nails. Oh god, I love it, guys. It's nice. What do you guys think? So in case if you need the link to this one mini light or to this neck phone holder, you can let me know in the comment section. So I'll just probably share the link for you guys. All right, so that is it for unboxing. So I didn't really get much. I just got some stuff that I thought I really needed. So I also got this one, guys. This one is airband because I have the one I had before is bad, so I decided to get another one, another airband. So I also got it from Shein. So this is it, guys. It's a 3-in-1 airband. So 1, 2, 3. So that's it, guys. So let me leave you guys. So this one, I don't think there's any need for me to open this. It's just the light, then the remote. So that's all. But guys, I won't lie, I love this neck holder, because you can actually make video by yourself when you don't have to carry your big ring light. Because if you see my ring light, guys, I have like a 22 inches ring light. So I only carry my ring light when I'm going for makeup and all that, when I'm going for a bridal walk and all that. But going to fix client nails is is a lot, guys. Like, it's a lot for me. So with this, I'm good to go. Alright, my lovelies. So if you are watching this video from YouTube and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't given me a follow on Facebook page, what are you still waiting for? Please, I beg in the name of God, follow me on Facebook, and God will bless you as you do so. Alright guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Do take care of yourself. Bye bye, and I love you all.